Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon F. And in this lesson we'll discover les adverbes de lieu. So really useful, and we're starting right now. So the first one that we'll see, so I've been putting each time the English first and then the French version here. Okay, so here. So I won't read the English one. I will focus on the French one if that's okay with you. Ici. Ici. Okay. Then là. So remember you've got this accent, but well, you don't pronounce it. Okay, so it's là. Là. Oops. Là-bas. Là-bas. Remember final S not pronounced. Là-bas. Loin. Loin. So remember when you get this combination O-I-N, it's ouin, 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 okay? Loin. Alright? So let's see them one more time. Ici, là, là-bas, loin. Okay? Devant. Final T not pronounced. Devant. Devant. Derrière. So if you look carefully, you've got here and then double R, so it will open the sound of this and you should pronounce it okay? Derrière. Same thing here. You've got this accent grave, derrière. Okay? Don't pronounce the final derrière. Okay? Final S not pronounced. Dessus. 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 Dessous. Dessous. Final S not pronounced here. Dessous. Okay, so let's repeat them. Devant, derrière, dessus, dessous. Okay? Dedans. Final S not pronounced. Dedans. Dedans. Dehors. Okay, so remember final S not pronounced, and then this H in French doesn't exist phonetically, so you don't pronounce it. Dehors. 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 En haut. En haut. Okay, final T not pronounced, and then this H as previously, you don't pronounce it, so this is haut. En haut. En haut. En haut. En bas. Final S not pronounced. En bas. En bas. Okay? Quelque part. Don't pronounce the final T. Quelque part. Quelque part. Autre part. Autre part. Autre part. Ailleurs. Look, final S not pronounced, and then you've got this y sound. Ailleurs. Okay, so sorry, I insist a little bit too much maybe, but still, let's read it normally now. Ailleurs. Ailleurs. Okay? Autour. 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 Okay, so repeat them one more time. Quelque part. Autre part, ailleurs, autour. So now you are well equipped with l'adverbe de lieu. Okay, it was leçon F. If you want to check for the next lesson, it's here, youtube.com/imagier, or then the website is here as well, imagier.net, if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye-bye.